Ron Atchison for Autoforge.net. Got something a little different for you guys today. I received a text from Nick and it said, hey, I sent you a box. Didn't say anything about what's in the box, why he sent the box, or anything like that, other than I sent you a box. So I thought it'd be kind of fun if I opened up the box and let you guys see what's in the box at the same time that I see what's in the box. So let's take a look inside the mystery box and see what Nick sent. So as you can see, that's typical packing from the guys in the warehouse. They do an excellent job of putting plenty of packing material in there to make sure that everything arrives safe and sound. So the first box I'm going to pull out is from RaggTopp. It is the RaggTopp convertible top and tonneau cover brush. This brush is designed specifically for convertible tops, whether they be cloth or vinyl. It has nice and soft flag bristles on the brush, nice big wooden handle, easy to hold on to. These soft bristles get down into the texture of the top, clean it really well, but don't cause any type of damage that a stiffer brush would do. So this is a very nice brush. Let's pull out this box. It is another box from RaggTopp. It is the convertible leather cleaner and protectant kit. Now what makes this a little bit different is these products are specifically designed to be used on a leather interior on a convertible. Obviously a convertible, you've got the top down, the leather is going to get beat up by the sun much more than your typical car that has a roof. So they've come up with a kit designed specifically for that. Let's take a look inside the box and see what all comes in the kit. Get a couple of microfiber applicators, microfiber towel, a bottle of convertible leather cleaner, along with a bottle of convertible leather protectant with UV blockers. Very cool. If you've got a convertible top and you've got leather interior, you need to be using this to protect the leather so that the sun doesn't beat it all up and dry it out and make it start cracking or dull it, make it look bad. Got another kit here. This is also from RaggTopp. This is for fabric Jeep SoftTopp care kit. This will come in very handy. I've got a Jeep coming up that's going to get a ceramic coating, and I'll have something to clean and protect the SoftTopp on it. Comes with a bottle of fabric and vinyl cleaner, along with a spray head. It also comes with an aerosol bottle of fabric protectant developed exclusively for Jeep, fabric tops, upholstery, and accessories. So very cool. That'll be very handy to use. I had mentioned to Nick that I had a Jeep coming up and he remembered, so he took care of me on that. Let's see, the next one is Dr. Beasley's Bead Hero. Just used this on the boss's wife's Audi, along with the boss's Tesla, just last week at the shop. Very easy product to use, works excellent, slick, a lot of gloss, very nice product. Then we've got a bottle from P&S. This is P&S Swift Clean and Shine. Now what Clean and Shine is, it's a interior quick detailer. Got a little bit more cleaning power than your typical quick detailer. But the unique thing about this is it actually leaves protectant behind, so you're doing both a single step. Safe on leather, vinyl, and plastic. So that's very cool. I have not used this product yet. And we also have, along with a spray head, another bottle of P&S. This one is Inspiration Defender. Now, Inspiration Defender is an SiO2 protectant. Can be used as a standalone protection for coating maintenance, high durability, easy application. This is excellent topper if you have a ceramic coating on your vehicle already. So I'm looking forward to trying that out. I've not used that one either. And that looks like that's the end of the box. So that is the mystery box from Nick. Very cool products in there. If you've used any of these products, please leave a comment below. Let me know, what you thought about them, what you used them on, that type of thing. Always interested in what you guys got to say. If you'd like to purchase any of these products along with the hundreds of other products that we have, please visit autoforge.net. It's going to be fun. So, hope you found the video enjoyable. Before you take off, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell so when we put out new videos, you'll be informed that a new one has come out. So this is Ron Atchison for Autoforge.net. Thanks for watching.